extensions before. I'd definitely love to try hair extensions. My hair routine usually consists of me washing my hair once or twice a week, and then once a week I'll put like coconut oil in my hair like a mask and leave that in for an hour.
Fever in bed.
I admire Josephine HJ on Instagram. She's like this Copenhagen Instagram influencer, I suppose. And yeah, I think she's got a really chic style. It's quite new and different. Feeling glamorous, feeling like a new person, honestly. I think I could do this look with a bit of practice, but I definitely think it's something that I could incorporate into my daily routine.